7 richest hairstylists of Hollywood. They're imagined behind the magic, and these hair care experts keep Tinseltown beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to another channel here on Smooth Lux. I hope you all are doing great, so here we are back with another video today. We're going to discuss the 7 richest hairstylists of Hollywood. But before we start with today's video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. Here's some of the richest hairstylists of Hollywood who earn big bucks by doing hair of several celebrities. Number 7, Kris Appleton. The best thing about Kim Kardashian, besides her outfits and skin, is her gorgeous hair. As they often styled by none other than Kris Appleton. It seems as if Appleton has been born with the skill to make actresses look like divas. It would not be surprising to know that besides Kim Kardashian, Appleton is also the hairstylist for the stunning actress Jennifer Aniston and young pop stars like Dua Lipa and Ariana Grande. Appleton has a fancy net worth of about $1 million. Number 6, Jen Atkin. Jen Atkin has also worked out with celebrity icons like Kim K. Jen is the proud owner of the hair care line OUAI, along with Lames Hamden. Besides being a hairdresser, Jen has also made some fancy bucks through her career as a columnist and entrepreneur. The New York Times often referred to as Atkins as the most influential hairstylist globally with an impressive net worth of about $1 million. She has worked with most of the Kardashians, Gigi Hadid and Chrissy Teigen, creating wonders to behold. Number 5, Adir Abergel. Adir Abergel's specialization has been doing the tresses of gorgeous Hollywood stars such as Kristen Stewart, Kirsten Dunst, Anna Hathaway, and Jessica Biel. He is particularly known as his work in Connected in 2015. He has collaborated with hair accessory company Lelit New York and created sculptural hair accessories and models. He is estimated to have a net worth of about $1.1 million. Number 4, Chris Mcmillan. Chris Mcmillan is the famous hairstylist behind Jennifer Aniston's unforgettable glamour in the TV show Friends. Chris is based in Beverly Hills, California, where his beautiful looking salon is a go-to for celebrity stars living in the neighborhood or even far away. Other than Jennifer Aniston, Chris Mcmillan has also worked with stars like Lily Aldridge and Kris Jenner, but he is best known for creating the pretty Rachel look that everyone dotes upon in the show. Aniston is very closely associated with this talented hairdresser. Mcmillan is estimated to have a net worth that ranges from $1 to $5 million. Number 3, Lacey Redway. Lacey Redway is based in New York City, and she is a famous hairdresser for stars like Millie Bobby Brown, Hunter Schafer, and Jordan Dunn. She's also worked with well-known personalities in the entertainment industry, such as Anne Hathaway, Karlie Kloss, Sarah Paulson, Elizabeth Olsen, and Gabrielle Union, amongst others. Lacey's net worth is estimated to be somewhere around $1.5 million. She is known to have studied in the Aveda Institute in Manhattan, and later, she started landing hairstylist jobs not only for movie roles but also red carpets and photo shoots. Number 2, Kim Kimball. Kim Kimball is such a big name today in the beauty industry because she got trained to become the best when she was hardly a teenager. She grew up in Los Angeles and got trained by her mother, who worked at a salon. Back then, she was just a shampoo girl, and today, she is among the richest hairstylists who worked with Hollywood celebrities. Another thing that made her a known face in the reality television series LA Hair, it seems like Kimball specializes in curls, and she is known for her work for Zendaya, Shakira, and Nicki Minaj. Kim has a fantastic net worth of approximately $1.5 million. Number 1, Ted Gibson. Besides contributing to Good Morning America and The Today Show, Gibson has been reportedly one of the wealthiest celebrity hairstylists in Hollywood. Gibson is based in Texas, and his famous salon or office is set up in New York City. He is famous for being the secret hand behind the priceless beauty of Hollywood actresses like Mila Kunis, Angelina Jolie, and Zoe Saldana. He is estimated to have a mind-blowing net worth of about $2.7 million. The more one comes to know about the hairstyles of famous Hollywood icons, the more they realize that the role of these makeup artists is as crucial as the job as a cinematographer or director in a movie. Without their incredible styling, movie scenes would not reach perfection, and photos would look incomplete. A hairstylist job is to not be trifled with since they are worthy of recognition as a piece of the art gallery. Did you know that a hairstylist could have a net worth over $1 million? Well, you know now. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hey, like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also watch the next few videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.